Perhaps you want to know about the magical secret to quickly creating a bottle of delicious sauce, right? Agree? Let's jump into our magical world. We'll discover how to turn a cookie maker into a soft ice cream factory. Have you ever imagined? Let's immerse yourself in the world of soft, cloud-like cookies and sweet ice cream. Have you ever thought about sprinkling crystallized sugar on a sugar cookie? We will make cakes irresistibly sweet and sparkling. We want to express our sincerest thanks for joining us on this enlightening journey through industrial food machinery. Your interest and engagement drive us to keep delivering quality content. Please take a moment to like and share your thoughts in the comments section if you found this video valuable. Stay tuned for more exciting discoveries in our upcoming Go Tech videos. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and we'll see you in the next episode. You enjoy a slice of dried ham, feeling the salty, sweet, and savory flavors mixed with a passionate aroma spreading on the tip of your tongue. The meat is soft, chewy, melts in the mouth, providing an unforgettable culinary experience. When you put this tray of bacon or sausage in the oven, the mouth-watering aroma will spread throughout the kitchen, awakening all your senses. The pleasant sizzling sound of grilled meat will make you irresistible. entering the dance under a gentle light. The eggs are carefully inspected, cracked or dirty eggs are removed. UV light purifies, sterilizes, and protects each egg, ensuring safety for the symphony of flavors.